Noah T. with honors. Ramos Syra Marian DC with honors. Simon Mark Gander S with honors. Yes, we have Santa Ines, the makeup P with honors. Okay, so to my brilliant students from ABM 11 Cutler, this moment is all about you, okay? You didn't just survive the formulas, case studies, presentations, and sleepless nights. Ikaw or kayo ay sumakses, okay? But let this not be your finish line. Let it be the start of your next level. Keep learning, keep leading, and always bring that ABM energy wherever you go. Congratulations once again, and remember, in this world full of average, be the one or be that one who always success. I love you all my dear 11 Cutler. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Syra. Before we proceed to our program, so let us acknowledge the presence of our OIC Assistant Principal, Mr. Romeo P. Lorido. A round of applause, please. Sa ating pong mga awardees and parents, as we acknowledge the Academic Excellence Awardees, tayo po ay pumalakpak. Maraming salamat po. Once again, a round of applause to the Academic Excellence Awardees from the ABM Cutler. And now, let us all welcome the ABM Penny, headed by Mrs. Jocelyn Esguera.
Good morning to each and everyone. It is with great pride and honor that I stand before you today to present the students who achieved Academic Excellence Awards from ABM 11 Deming. To start with, let me call on Lacson Lee Ian M. with high honors. Prince L. with high honors. Agaral John L. P. with honors. Alfonso Junel M. with honors. Aliyah Kim D. with honors. Flores Richard F. with honors. De Guzman Gillian Piracy with honors. JPS Angel E with honors. Elemencio Abigail D. with honors. Granadel Joel Jr. P. with honors. Gregorio Mariel S. with honors. Lado Madeline G. with honors. Eduan Kurt Jan F. with honors. Parungo Forts Lynette with honors. Peralta Hani D. with honors. Ason May P. with honors. Ramirez Angela M. with honors. Reyes Jocelyn Dizzy with honors. Sarmiento Precious Angie with honors. And last but not the least, Sunga Mariel Erica C. with honors. Tonight, for advisory class, I am truly proud of each one of you. May you continue to persevere, stay determined, and never stop reaching for your dreams. Thank you very much for allowing me to be a part of your journey. Once again, congratulations and keep soaring high. Mahal kayo ni Mama Jo.
A round of applause again to the Academic Excellence Awardees from ABM 11 Muli po pinapaalalahanan na tayo po ay pumalakpak once na nirecognize po natin ang ating mga awardees. Maraming salamat po. Let us now welcome the Academic Excellence Awardees from ABM 11 Taylor, headed by Mr. Jehan Edward Z. Hernandez.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Bago ako magsimula, wala ba tayong A-Van? Narito na ang mga mag-aaral na tunay, palaban at talentado mula sa ABM 11 Taylor na may pagmamalaki. Aking bibigkasin ang mga natatanging mag-aaral na may mataas na karangalan. At Taibe Angela P. may mataas na karangalan. Manulit Paul Marvin E. may mataas na karangalan. Reyes Hanami E. may mataas na karangalan. Villarreal John Jolo G. may mataas na karangalan. Rico Sofia Margaret may mataas na karangalan. Narito naman ang mga Latino at Latina ng ABM 11 Taylor na may karangalan. Alvarez Rizal Ann M. may karangalan. Nino Luke C. may karangalan. Fernando Josh C. may karangalan. Lapus Yashanin G. may karangalan. Pauco Chariz M. May karangalan. Susunod, palakpakan natin, Ordoves Angela May C. May karangalan. Pangilinan Naz Ashley B. May karangalan. Paras Raymond Janelle D. May karangalan. Valerio Marshall C. May karangalan. Muli palakpakan po natin sila. At panghuli, Venturina J. Nicolay D. May karangalan. Sa pagtatapos ng taong panalawang ito, ay ang pagsisimula ng bagong ito ng inyong pag-aaral. Madami tayong pagsubok na nalabanan at mga tagumpay na pinagsaluhan. Sabi nga ni Taylor Swift sa kanyang kantang Long Live, I had the time of my life fighting dragons with you. And long live the look on their face, and bring on all the pretenders, one day you will be remembered. Isang karangalan ang inyong maging guro, saan man at kailanman, ako'y taas o para sa inyo. Muli, ako ang inyong guro, Jayhan Edward C. Hernandez, lagit-lagi tungo sa mga kabataang may puso, galing at talino. Padayon sa ating lahat.
Once again, congratulations to the Academic Excellence Awardees from the Accountancy, Business, and Management. A round of applause, please. And now, let us proceed to the Academic Excellence Awardees from the Arts and Design. Let us start with the Arts and Design of Orsolo, headed by Mr. Harold Nicolay Garcia. A round of applause, please.
It's my honor and privilege to present the academic awardees for the Arts and Design Strand 11 of Orsolo. To start, Simulan Stephen Clark with high honor. Palakpak naman po. Aguirre Aisha Mikel with honor. Ashley S. with honor. Avelino Gerard with honor. wonderful student as we embark on this chapter learning, remember that your curiosity and dedication are will truly matter. Mahal ko kayong apat. Salamat.
Once again, a round of applause to the Academic Excellence Awardees from Arts and Design 11 Amor Solo. Let us now welcome the Academic Excellence Awardees from Electrical Installation and Maintenance 11 Volta, headed by Mr. Jaime B. Macaso. A round of applause, please.
Okay, salamat po sa tatlong pumalakpak, EIM 12. It is my honor and privilege to present to you my TVL Electrical Installation and Maintenance student. Pasensya na kahit medyo matagal po ito at marami ito. Okay. To start with, Norito John Paul with honors. Villanosa John Ray G. with honors. Marami pa tayong kukuryentahin. I love you mga anak. Mahal kayo ng ang ama nyo. Thank you.
Congratulations, EIM Volta. And now, let us all welcome the Academic Excellence Awardees from Home Economics Vanity, headed by Mrs. Abigail D. Hernandez. A round of applause, please.
To present the honor students of PVLHA Vanity, to begin with Mendoza Nicole M. with high honors. Pangilinan Rachel M. with high honors. Once again, Pangilinan Rachel M. with high honors. Sebastian Ashley A. with high honors. Bernadette Janelle R. with honors. Caneda Roxanne M. with honors. De La Cruz Shane Ashley D. with honors. Jesus AJO with honors. Gomez Vincent A with honors. Habla Narain Debbie Q with honors. Habla Narain Debbie Q with honors. Congrats na. Hermano Jan Rafael H. with honors. Mateo Jeremy A. with honors. Hermosísimo Joseph Andre M. with honors. Matias Rudy Jane F. with honors. Manlapas Ryden DG with honors. Paya Michelle Ann P. with honors. Congrats po. Peralta Dayan G. with honors. Salvador Kylie May M. with honors. Pina Raven B. with honors. And last but not the least, Yago Cheska Nicole S. with honors. To my dearest advisory class, always remember true success is not only measured by intelligence, but also having a good attitude, strong values and willingness to grow and be corrected. Aim high, not just in your careers, but in building future when you can put up your own business someday. Become leaders in your own field. Ma'am Abby is truly proud of you. I love you guys. Congratulations.
Thank you so much and congratulations to H. Ibanopi. Before we proceed to our program, please refrain from standing at yung mga nagpipicture po sa bawat gilid po. Tayo po ay maupo, hindi pa po natatapos ang ating programa. Maraming salamat po sa pangunawa. Please maintain the solemnity of our ceremony throughout the event. Thank you so much.
Once again, congratulations to the Home Economics 11 Battlefield. Let us now welcome the Academic Excellence Awardees from Home Economics 11 Ramsey, headed by Ms. Judith G. Mizona. A round of applause, please.
It is with a joyful heart to present to you the honors from TVL H.A. Ramsey, who showed dedication, passion, and perseverance for the school year 2024-2025. To begin with, let us have Almin Myla Jade R. with honors. Carlos China May M. with honors. Gargoles Jessica P. with honors. Payang John Justine P. with honors. Bentivel Marian P. with honors.